gave you a brief overview of what you get inside the box of the Sony WH-1000MX2s. Quite a mouthful. These are noise cancelling headphones. A couple of people requested me to review this product when I did the Beats Studios. So I got this product to see how good it really is. A lot of people are talking about it. There's a lot of hype around these. I mean, after all, they were Which is the Best Buy 2017, which if you get that label on your product, in my opinion, that's quite an achievement. So I thought, why not buy these, give these a little review. I have been using them, but I'm going to kind of start from fresh, show you how to set these all up. So the headphones are quite easy to set up. You're just going to hold there's an on button on the side, the noise cancelling, and the ambient side button as well, which you can flick between. You've got your micro USB charging socket, and then you've got your jack cable input there. So simply just a pair. Obviously we're going to go wireless, so you just simply hold the on button, blue light will flicker, and then you just connect to your iPhone. Voila. Simple as. Every headphones, normally wireless, are quite easy to set up. You normally just hold a button, connect it. There's no real hidden art to it. So just to show you what the headphones look like when they're on. They are rather large headphones. I mean, I've got quite a large head myself. I feel like the aesthetic looks beautiful, but then when I put them on, I feel as if they don't feel like they don't curve to the head as much. They kind of square out. I'm not really a big fan of, but they're really comfortable in the ear. I mean, I've used them in the gym and on a flight before, out and about, just going for a walk. So the comfort is there, but the aesthetics I think are quite lacking as they don't mold perfectly to the head. But that's not too much of a problem for some people. I mean, they are just headphones that are normally meant for just relaxing and kind of just enjoying music to say. So they're not necessarily there to look amazing. I mean, they're not that kind of headphone necessarily, but I mean, for me, I like my headphones to look good on me. So I'm just going to do the same test that I did with my Beat, where I've got my TV just next to me, and I'm going to put the noise cancelling on. I'm going to see how loud my TV has to get before I can start hearing it through the noise cancelling. I thought last time that was actually quite a good test. I got some positive comments about it. I got some good feedback from friends. And where the TV's quite close as well, if that has to be quite loud just to penetrate this, that means that noise is further away. You're obviously going to be better at getting cancelled out by the headphones, which is actually quite a good test. And it's also in a closed environment as well, which means it'll be louder in here, more echoey. So let's just jump in and straight and do that. So I've got the TV next to me, I've got my headphones, I'm gonna put the noise cancelling on, and then we're gonna see how loud the TV needs to get before I can kind of hear. What I'm gonna do then is I'm gonna put some music on my phone at about 50% volume, the noise cancelling on, and then I'm gonna give a thumbs up to start, and then I'm gonna start turning the volume up on the TV, and then I'll give another thumbs up when I can start disturbing my song that I'm hearing on my headphones. So I could start here. I think I had to go quite high with the TV. I had to go all the way up to... So I had to go all the way up to 97 on my TV. On my Beats, I think I remember I got to 80. So that's 17 more bars up on the TV. So these are really, really good at noise cancelling. I mean, I had 50% on with a track right next to the TV, and I had to go up to almost 100% volume on my TV. And that's a big TV as well, with good speakers built in. That's another Sony Bravia TV. So I'm sitting right next to it. So to go up to 97, these must be doing the job quite well, and I'm very impressed actually. And I bring up the valid point again when you have noise cancelling headphones, that it can actually be quite dangerous in the fact that, I mean, if I have to have 100% TV volume to hear someone saying something next, I mean, that's usually a little bit dangerous, do you know what I mean? And especially if you're further away and someone's yelling at you and you just can't even hear. I mean, but that's impressive. I'm very, very impressed. I mean, that cancels out every little bit of sound that I can hear, anything in there. And there's people cutting the grass outside. I don't know if that's getting picked up. I don't think it is, but there's people cutting the grass outside. TV's on 97, and I'm sitting here just hearing, and I was just hearing just like a disturbance, something that wasn't sounding quite right on here. I mean, so I'm very impressed with the Sony WH-1000MX2s. I mean, that's decent. So let's talk about also the sound quality that actually comes out of these. I mean, these are nicely balanced, not too bass heavy. The vocals are very crisp and clean that come through the headphones. I mean, as a complete package, I mean, with the sound, it can go quite high, keeping that nice crisp vocals, keeping the bass nice and clean, and it's not too kind of cracking through. And the comfort of the headphones, I mean, as a whole, these are actually really good. I see how they got the WH Best Buy, and I mean, I see how people are raving about these headphones. The only thing I know I've complained about is the aesthetics in terms of the way they make it look a bit square, but I mean, you can overlook all of that easily with everything these headphones have to offer. I've been loyal to Beats for quite a while, and I mean, these are a game changer. These are a very, very, very good contender for the Beats, and I mean, I might have to switch. I mean, my time using them in the gym, the flight and walking about, I've been very happy, and I haven't wanted to take them off at any point because of discomfort or the noise quality's been any different. I mean, it's been actually better than anything that I've used before. So I'm very, very impressed. It's better than the Bose QC35 Mark IIs that I've tried out before. They're better than the Beats Studios, the Beats Solos. I know they're not in the same category, but I was a very big fan of the Beats Solo 3s. These are a winner. These are a game changer in headphones. I mean, the noise cancelling is amazing, comfort, sound quality. I think we found a true winner here with Sony.